A very warm good morning to one and all present over here. I am Astha from JV Public School, Manali. Today I am before you to explain you the topic, the mean value of AC. Now you all would be thinking that what is AC? AC stands for alternating current. It is a current whose magnitude and direction both changes with the time. I'll show you this with the help of a graph. As you all can see on your screen, that it is a sine wave graph. The current flows in the form of waves and its magnitude and direction both changes with the time. So some of the definitions come across from this graph. First is about peak value. This is called peak value. And one definition arises here, steady current. So let's see that what is peak value. The peak value is the maximum value attained by alternating quantity during one cycle is called peak value. And in the very simple language, it is the maximum value or amplitude or crest value. So another definition arises here, that what is steady current? So steady current is a constant current or a type of direct current that doesn't change its intensity with time. Very important point, that doesn't change its intensity with time. So here we are having a difference between alternating current and direct current. Alternating current, first point of difference is magnitude and direction both changes with the time. And on the opposite side, magnitude of current may vary but direction doesn't change with the time. And this is the graph. It is uniform and it is in waveforms. And frequency of AC is 50 Hz in India and frequency of DC is 0. DC means direct current. Some of the examples, AC generator, oscillator, etc. And examples of direct current are cell, battery, solar energy. So this was all about alternating current and direct current. Now the topic which I explained you was, I think, well cleared. Now the types of questions which arises from this topic is, first question, define alternating current and direct current, this one part. So alternating current is an electric current whose magnitude and direction changes with time. Example, AC generator. Direct current, an electric current whose magnitude may vary, may change, but direction doesn't change with time. Example that could be cell. Now second question comes here, difference between alternating current and direct current, already discussed in previous video. And question number 3, that what do you mean by steady current? Is steady current same as direct current? MCQ type question. It can come in MCQ type question. So steady current is a type of direct current that doesn't change its intensity with time. No, steady current is not exactly same as direct current. It is just a type of direct current. Next question, what is instantaneous value of AC? Instantaneous value of AC is the value of current at a particular instant. Instantaneous value of AC is I is equal to I naught sin omega t. Now next question, what define peak value? Maximum value attained by alternating current during one cycle is called peak value. And sixth question, It can also come in MCQ. What is mean value of current during half cycle? And answer is 0.636 I naught. Here it would be I naught. Thank you so much. Please learn these questions, my humble request, because it's very important for 1 marks questions. Thank you and have a nice day. Now, according to the board point of view, the question comes in exam that show that mean value of current during half cycle is 0.636 I, or in simple language, mean of average value of alternating current. So before coming to the expression, first of all we should know that what is mean or average value of alternating current. So average value of alternating current is that value of steady current. Now see, steady current comes here. I earlier mentioned that steady current is a type of direct current that doesn't change its intensity with time. So this was steady current. So average value of alternating current is that value of steady current which sends the same amount of charge through a circuit in certain time interval as is sent by an alternating current through the same circuit in the same time interval. So this is all about average value of alternating current. In more simple language, it's simply the value of steady current that sends same amount of charge as alternating current sends the current in the same circuit and in same interval of times. So come on to the main topic, that is our expression. See, show that, as it is well mentioned here, show that mean value of current during half cycle is 0.636. I naught is referred here to the peak value of current. So expression is, this is our expression. Before writing an expression, the diagram is very necessary. Without diagram, your expression is totally incomplete. So we had made here a graph, as you all can see here. Current I is flowing in upward direction and I naught is the peak value. So the alternating current is flowing in the form of waves whose magnitude and direction both changes with the time. So come on to the expression. The instantaneous value of AC is I is equal to I naught sine omega t. So here we got our first equation, that is I is equal to I naught sine omega t. Now why here sine omega t? Because it's in the form of waves and sine 0 degree is there, it means it changes its angle, so it's sine omega t. Now we need to suppose here that let dq is the small charge which flows through the circuit for small time dt. What we are supposing here, let dq is the small charge, means dq is here, dq is the small charge which is flowing through the circuit. If this is a circuit, so small charge dq is flowing in a small time dt. So we know very well that I is equal to dq upon dt. Now we'll take this dt to this side upward towards I side, and dq is equal to I dot dt. Now what was the value of I? In equation 1 we are having I is equal to I naught sine omega t. So dq is equal to I naught sine omega t dot dt. Because we have filled the value of I here. And now we will integrate it both sides. Why we will integrate? Because to remove d. D is a very small charge and we need to find only q. That's why we will integrate both sides. So integrating both sides 0 to t by 2 I naught sine omega t dot dt. Now here I naught will come out because it is a constant quantity, and we will integrate from 0 to t by 2 sine omega t dot dt. Q is equal to I naught. Now integration of sine is always equal to minus cos. That's why it is here minus cos. Omega t as it is upon the omega, and it is t by 2 to 0. So q is equal to minus I naught upon omega bracket cos omega t bracket t by 2 0 to t by 2. Minus we took out, that's why inside we are not putting inside the minus sign. So here q is equal to minus I naught upon omega, now bracket cos omega t by 2. Now when we will open these integration signs or bracket, so see t by 2 is upside and 0 is downside. So we will take this upper limit here in the first value and second 0 1 on the another part. So cos omega t by 2 minus cos omega 0. So it is, what is the value of omega? We had studied already. It is omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. I think it is well understood to you. So value of value of omega is 2 pi upon t. So put the value in the place of omega. You will get minus I naught upon 2 pi. Now see, here was omega earlier, so omega is equal to 2 pi upon t. Here it was earlier in division form, so t will go to the numerator and 2 pi will remain in denominator. In bracket cos 2 pi upon t into t by 2 and minus cos 0 degree. T will cancel out t to t and 2. So next we are having, after cutting all the things, we got at last minus I naught upon 2 pi t bracket cos pi minus cos 0 degree. Because before we kept the value of omega is equal to 2 pi upon t and all the terms cancelled, which were left we wrote cos pi minus cos 0 degree. So minus I naught t, see in this step, minus I naught t upon 2 pi bracket minus 1 cos pi is minus 1, cos 0 is 1, here it was earlier minus, so minus, and it is, and final result we got, that is this one, minus I naught upon t, sorry, minus I naught dot t upon 2 pi bracket minus 2. Minus 2 will cancel with minus minus cancel, 2 and 2 will also cancel. What left? That is I naught, this one equation number 2, which is already highlighted highlighted with a pink color, Q is equal to I naught T upon pi. This is equation 2. According to the definition, Q is equal to I m dot T by 2. Again it is highlighted with the pink color that Q is equal to I m T upon 2. Equation 3, and we will compare it both sides. And what we will get, I naught T upon pi is equal to I m T upon 2. T to T cancel. I m is equal to, this 2 will go up, 2 I naught upon pi. So calculation work, I m is equal to 2 upon pi. What is value of pi? 3.14 into I naught. So we are having final value, that is 0.636 is equal to I naught, and hence proved. I hope that it is well clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day. Hope so you all understood it and it is well clear to you. Thank you.